how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply on how you can make money using this method. So open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's method. So here, wait for it to load and zoom in on the states and choose a state or a city that you are going to target. So for example, let's zoom in on San Francisco here, and let's choose a place in here. For example, let's choose Sacramento, and let's zoom in on this city, and let's go to the search again, and let's type a kind of small business that we would like to search for. But before that, I'm going to talk about the services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create websites for them or to renovate the website for them if they already have one. And the second service we are going to offer is to remove bad reviews from their Google Maps profile. And the third service is to manage their social media accounts. So here, let's just type a kind of small business, for example, gyms in here. So let's see all of the available gyms in this area. So here you can see all of the profiles of the nearest gyms in this area. And in order to reach out to the best or the small businesses with the highest rate of hiring us. So make sure to always pay attention to the ones with a sponsored rating in their profile, and also the ones with more than 150 reviews in their profile. So for example, this one here, Fitness Rangers, is the perfect example for us. They don't have any sponsored rating in their profile, and also they have way less than 150 reviews. So let's check their profile here, and let's wait for it to load in order to see if they have a website or not. So here you can see that they have a website. So let's check their website to see if it would need any renovations or not. So here their website seems a little bit old because it's not taking the whole space of the screen, and also it has some old icons, and this video is not even working, but I think it's just still loading. So here, let's wait for it to load, and you can create an account in here, but the website is very slow in loading. That means the website needs a lot of renovations. Here, let's check their Instagram and their Facebook account to see if they have someone managing their social media or not. So we can suggest to renew or make renovations to their website. That's the first service we can suggest. And here, let's check their social media, their Facebook, to see if they have someone managing their social media or not. So here you can see that they have more than 4,000 followers and likes. Here you can see that they are not consistent with uploading to their social media. Their last upload was from 2020, and they changed their profile picture in 2022. And here we can check their Instagram as well to see if they have someone managing their Instagram. So I think they have someone managing their Instagram. They have these icons, but let's see here. The last published post for them was 5 days ago. So I think they have someone managing their social media, so we cannot offer that service. You can only offer the service of renovating their website. And here, by scrolling down to see if they have any bad reviews, to offer that service as well. So here, let's scroll down, and this is our first bad review that we encountered, and it's from 9 months ago. I was told by Idana that I could not cancel my membership even with me having to go back on site to work, and therefore this no longer fitting with my schedule. Was told I would have to pay the entire annual membership process. Come to find out later that that is incorrect. You have to pay a fee to cancel, but it's possible. So I paid for 6 months a membership that I didn't even use. I wish I had called my credit card company, but it was past 90 days when I found out the truth about this place. Completely dishonest employees make me suggest you write this place off. I say don't trust any business that trains their employees to lie about such important matters that affect your wallet. And this is the response from the owner. I apologize for your experience. If you would like to contact us directly, we would be happy to review what happened with this situation. Our normal policy that we explain whenever someone signs up for membership is if you commit to 6 months, we can cancel with 30-day notice. So here, the owners are trying to compensate for the bad review that they have on their profile, but even with their compensation, the writer of this review hasn't removed his bad review, so that still affects the business badly. So we can offer to remove the service of removing the bad review as well, along with the service of renovating the website for them. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill. You just need to go to fiverr.com, and it's where you can hire freelancers to deliver those services instead of you. So you can pay them, for example, $25 for removing the bad reviews, and you can get paid from $100 to $200 from the business owners to deliver those services to them. So you can be left with a great margin of money, or you can take the rest of the money with you without even learning any skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with